Welcome to the FlameTask video on how to add equipment. Equipment can be logged or added from the mobile device or from the website. First, we'll explore how to add equipment from the mobile device. Assuming you're already logged in, tap on the site that you are physically at. Apply the barcode to the equipment. Tap Scan Barcode. Notice the light bulb on the lower right-hand corner of the screen. If the room is too dark to scan the barcode, use this option. The phone light will go on but will go off again once the barcode is scanned. Scan the barcode. Tap in the model field where a scroll list box will appear. Start typing the model or size or type and the list box will filter to what is typed. Tap on the desired model. Models will be described in more detail in another video, but this is a very useful design. Just by selecting a model, the size, type, and manufacturer are already known. By selecting the model, the most important thing is that it now knows what the equipment type is. The equipment type is how it knows what scheduled or unscheduled services are associated with this equipment. Tap in the location field and type the location of the equipment. Tap in the date of manufactured field. Notice that a calendar date picker shows up. Select the date of manufacture and then tap Done. Why the date of manufacture is important is when it schedules for the first time, the due dates for the associated scheduled services are calculated based on the date of manufacture. The next field is the serial number field. This field is optional because many items don't have serial numbers anymore. To use this field, tap in the serial number field and type free-form text. The note is very optional that you should only use it with discretion. This is free-form text. If filled in, a pop note will pop up every time the barcode is scanned. The floor plans are also optional. They are used to help find equipment graphically on a floor plan. Floor plans are described more in detail in another video. Floor plans can only be used for this site once the site has a floor plan picture scanned in and associated with this site. In this example, I'm going to use the scroll wheel to select the first floor. Grab the top part of the screen to drag up if necessary. Because the floor is selected, another option shows up that says Floor Plan Location. Tap this text. The floor plan picture shows up. Can scroll around but just tap on the area where this equipment is located. A green dot will show up where you tapped, which is where you placed the equipment on the floor plan. Tap the back arrow at the upper left of the window. When done, click Add in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You will now be back at the equipment list screen with that equipment being added to the list. It is not necessary, but it is a good idea to scan the equipment again just to make sure it is there, but also to log an inspection. You are probably going to add the equipment and do the inspection at the same time anyway. I'll scan the barcode again now to show how this worked. Normally, the inspection will be updated when you scan the barcode, but the first time, tap Inspection to force the inspection the first time. This will log an inspection. The location shows at the top as well as the model, size, type, and manufacturer information. Serial number, date of manufacture are displayed as well as all of the scheduled service information and when it is due. Did you ever think you could get all that out of what little input you did to log the information? Another option is to add the equipment from the website, which I'll demonstrate shortly. If you go for this option, you'll probably add the equipment without typing in the barcode. If this is the case, the equipment will just show up on the equipment list. Assuming the equipment was added from the website, apply the barcode, tap on the equipment, then tap on Replace Barcode. Scan the barcode. The barcode is now linked to the equipment. Anytime the barcode gets damaged, you can just apply another barcode and replace barcode again. Scan the barcode again to make sure it worked and to log the inspection. We will now flip over to the website to see how the system administrator would log or add the equipment, assuming the technician wrote the information down on paper. Assuming you're already logged in, from the Sites menu select the site. From the middle pane click the plus sign in the upper right-hand corner of the pane. Start typing the model name, or size, type, or other model fields. At this point, it is very much like the process done in the mobile device. The one difference is the barcode. It will have to be typed in manually or just leave it blank. As outlined earlier in this video, the technician can just link the barcode on the next inspection at the site. This concludes the instructional video on adding equipment in FlameTask.